Hello guys, welcome back to the channel today. So this is a part 3 of the nurses video. Alright, so I had lost the clips to this, so I had to make a mock-up. That is what you see. So guys, in this video we are making a Peter Pan collar for a full neck. Alright, the full circumference of the neck. Alright, I've tried to make this tutorial as simple and easy as possible, alright, and as beautiful as it can be. So please stay tuned and let's carry on with this. So what you can see is me positioning the mock-up uniform on a piece of paper which is on fold. Now, because with this Peter Pan, the back is on fold and the front is separated, you have to ensure that you lay your back on fold on the paper as well, alright, and then you trace up the neck circumference on fold, just as you see me doing. Okay guys, I want to add that you can trace this neck directly on the fabric you want to sew your collar with. Okay, it's very possible and it's something you can do, but I wanted to do it on a pattern paper which is clear so that there is no room for confusion. Alright, so after you've traced it out, ensure that the neck circumference matches with the actual neck circumference on the uniform. Guys, this is extremely important. You don't want to mess up at this stage. So measure it out, confirm it, and then confirm it again, just as you see me doing. Okay. As you can see over here, I was making it more vibrant with my marker so that you can see it. Now, the width or the depth of the collar, I want it around 3.5, and so I'm marking it. I want it around 3 inches, so I'm marking it with 4 inches. Okay. This has allowance for the bottom and also for the neck circumference. Okay, so do it exactly as you see me doing with the measurement you want, but ideally once all is said and done, you should have the depth about 3 inches or 3.5 inches. Okay, what you see me doing is I came in 1 inch on the neck depth and then I attached it, or I joined it to the top over there. Alright, and then I curved it, trying to blend it in from the top all the way to the bottom, just as you see me doing. Alright, I curved it like that. So it's simple. Basically, this is it, guys. This is basically it. Now you want to add a few inches here because we are going to join this side of the front. Alright, so for joining allowance, you add ½ inch. Alright, just as you see me do, and then you blend it in. Because you've already added allowance for the bottom, there is no need to extend it all the way to the bottom. So once that is said and done, you cut it out. Take your time cutting out so that you don't mess up the pattern. Alright, just as you see me doing, do it as so. So guys, here we are. Here is our collar. Do you see that? So here I've cut 2 pieces. This is it, guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sew them together. We're going to sew the bottom from here all the way around. Sew it with ½ inch. Alright, all the way to that side. Guys, there is no need to interface this unless the material you're using is really soft. Alright, but I believe the collar is best not interfaced. so that it will move, it will sit freely on the neck and lightly on the neck. All right, so this is it. Once it has been sewn together, I notched the curve, and then I flipped it inside out and ironed it. Okay, now we're going to attach it to the mock-up uniform. Find the center point and then give it a notch. Then find that on the uniform and then give it a notch. And then you attach them notch to notch, just as you see me doing. And then you hold it with pins all around the circumference of the neck. Alright guys, just as you see me doing. You can tell we are not yet done, but everything looks really neat and nice and laying as it's supposed to lay over the circumference of the neck. So this is it guys. I've attached it to the uniform. And I'm going to snip out the excess that you see. Not excess, but you know what you see. As I reduce this side to about 1/4 inch, because we're going to use bias tape to turn it outside in, if you get what I mean. So this is it. This is it guys. I'm using a white bias, but because we are turning it outside in, you want it to match the color of the inside, which is the green, the green uniform. So it's better to use a green bias for this. Now this is what I have, so that is what I'm going to use. So you're going to stitch it all around. You can top stitch it before you turn it inside and then you stitch it. All right. I folded this side in by about 1/2 inch before I sewn it to the uniform. Sorry guys, and I've done the same for this side also to secure the edges. All right. So once that is done, you fold it outside in and then you stitch it. And then you stitch it. You see guys, this was why I was saying you need a green bias, so that as you are stitching it outside in, it will blend in with the uniform, which is green. Okay, so this is it. This is it basically. As you can tell, it's so simple and so easy. So simple and so easy. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is it. This is it. Please hit on the subscribe button for more tutorials from me, and please like this video if you haven't already. And if you haven't seen the whole series, please check it out. I have a playlist on my channel, and part 1, part 2. This happened to be the part 3. So thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you so much. This is how the back looks like. See how it lays on the shoulder so beautifully. This is how you want yours to turn out too. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.